Hey guys, so here's a storage update video. Starting off with, this is some stuff I took to the museum to sell that didn't sell. And so if anybody wants it, make me an offer. Homestead Universal Off-White, complete except the downrod. Homestead Mirage Off-White, complete except the blades. And I believe the screw pattern will fit any set of Homestead blades. So if you were to buy both of these, you'd have one complete fan. Cast motor 5-blade Alaska. There's the blades, no mounting bracket. That antique ceiling light. Richard, if you still want it, let me know. And lastly, the Comfort Touch Panama. The control is either still in my car or Metal Pete's car, but I have the control. And I'd love to find a home for it. I picked up this box fan on the way home. It's labeled Airmaster. I'll come back with the kilowatt and do a demonstration video. And that's really it. I need to narrow down the pile. Is that a brown and brass veranda? Did I know I had a brown and brass veranda here? Must be 52 inch. I don't remember having a 36. Interesting. That's like the same one I put in my hallway. I didn't even remember I had that. Okay, well, at some point I'm going to sort through the pile. In the meantime, here it is. Thanks for watching.